Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. In this quick video tutorial, we will see how to set a program or file as autorun in Windows 10 11 on startup. Okay, we will use three methods. First one is startup folder, and the second one is Windows Registry, and the third one is Windows Task Scheduler. We will use these methods one by one. Okay, let's get started. In first method, we just need to type Window R, Control C and Control V. So when you hit the enter button, this window will be displayed. Okay, start menu, program startup. And now I have two shortcuts. The first one is Notepad file, and the second one is Chrome browser. Okay, I will drag and drop these two shortcuts in this folder. Now we will restart our computer, reboot our computer, and let's see what happened. Ideally, these two files should be opened automatically after reboot the computer. Okay, let's check it. Now you can see our Chrome browser and text file is opened automatically after reboot the computer at startup. Okay, this is the first method. Now we will do second method, which will be done using Windows Registry. Okay, let's do it. I will delete first these two shortcuts, drag and drop at desktop and close it. I will just type okay, we will just locate this path, computer, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, and current version, and run. Okay, and this is the exe, and this is the program Postman, which we will run using Windows Registry at the startup of computer after reboot. Okay. Now we will restart our computer, and this app should be run automatically after reboot the computer. Let's check it. Now you can see this application, the Postman application, has been started automatically successfully after reboot the computer at starting. Okay, as you can see. In third method, we will open Visual Studio Code, this application Visual Studio Code automatically after reboot the computer using Windows Task Scheduler. Okay, I will just type Task Scheduler, and here I will create a new folder, my task, and then I will create a basic task. Here I will enter the name of task, run, okay, and hit the next button. And from here I will select when I log on. Okay, this option will be selected, and hit the next button, and start a program. From here we will select start a program and hit the next button, and here we will paste the path of that exe, that specific exe which we want to run, which we want to execute. Okay, I will copy the exe path from here. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, and hit the next button and finish as well. So this is our task. Okay, now we will reboot our computer and check it is working as expected or not. Ideally, the Visual Studio Code should be opened automatically after you reboot the computer. Let's check it. Yes, you can see our application Visual Studio Code is automatically opened after you reboot the computer. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.